Jamaican mango.
That's the Jamaican mango, guys.
Only found here in Jamaica.
Hey guys, Wellesley here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm at the beautiful Rockland Bird Sanctuary in Anchovy, St. James. We're here to see and learn about all Jamaica's beautiful birds, including this, the national bird. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos, stuff like these, capturing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. So guys, so this is Mr. Fritzer, right?
Yes.
Mr. Fritz, who are you here? You're the tour guide?
Yes.
And you're the man who know everything about the birds. The birds are very comfortable with you. How long are you here? And tell me.
Long time. Many years.
How much?
Many years ago.
Many years.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, we're gonna learn about the birds, and you're gonna help us. You're gonna teach us about these beautiful birds. I see the hummingbird. Man, I tell you the truth, I'm a little bit just cautious with them. They're coming around.
Yes.
I love birds, but I just feel like they're gonna pick me at some point. They're not gonna pick me.
No, they're not going to.
Tell me a little about them. Tell me the different types of birds you have.
Well, we have like 16 different species of birds. We have the 3 doctor birds here, but there's one don't come to you.
Oh.
It's called the red-billed streamer tail. They come to you, and also the doctor bird. They call it doctor birds. And you have the Jamaican mango. They come to you. They feed from and they come back. But the vervain don't come. The vervain stay outside.
Oh.
Because those long-tailed ones chase the vervain.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they're a little bit wild.
Yes.
Okay. So you said 3 types of doctor birds. 3 types of. You said 3 types of doctor birds or 3 types of hummingbirds. The same thing.
They are all doctor birds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But the mango, he come to you. And also the streamer tail. That's the one with the long tail. So they are the male one.
You probably should have. Okay. They are the male one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay, man. Oh boy, them busy man.
Yes.
How much of them you have here? Well, I see Dr. Bird. I see a little pretty yellow looking.
That's the
that one.
Yeah, banana quit.
Banana quit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the Dr. Bird seem to be more popular. They run the turf here, man. It seems.
Right. Yes.
And there's another one here. This.
Here's the mango hummingbird.
The mango hummingbird.
Yes.
That's a little dark one. No long tail.
No.
All right. All right. So they're chasing. They're chasing each other.
Yeah. Right.
All right. So which one is really chasing you, sir?
The mango, he always chases the streamer tail. That's this one is the mango.
Okay. So the mango is the one without the long tail?
Yeah, it's the dominant one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And it's streamer tail. Hold it up. How is them going to come?
Yeah, man, they will come.
They will come. All right. What other birds you have here?
We have the oriole. Okay, and the orange quit. And the banana quit. They are there. And we have the grass quit. They feed from your palm of your hand. Yes. And we have the Jamaican woodpecker.
Oh, you have the woodpecker too?
Yeah, they feed over there for it. They eat oranges and ripe bananas.
But those don't come in your hand?
No.
The only one that come in your hand is the doctor bird?
The doctor bird and the grass quit.
Oh, the grass quit too?
Yeah.
Okay. And what else you have? You said 16, right?
Yeah. And we have the white-chin thrush.
The what?
White-chin thrush.
Oh, what is that? Like a dove?
No, it's a hopping-dick. It's called the hopping-dick.
Oh, hopping-dick we call it?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Right.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. And what else?
And we have many more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's 16 in total you said you have?
Yeah. We have the dove. We have lots of different doves.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Jamaica have more than that, right? I think we have about 32 species in Jamaica, I think, if I remember correctly.
It's like some 25 different species, endemic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Endemic. And you have 16 here?
Yeah, we have 16 different species of birds come here.
Come here. Okay. Meaning some are not necessarily here.
Right.
Meaning resident here.
Yeah.
Oh, but they come and go. Cool. I see the busy. I see a one eating the orange. That's a black looking one.
That's the orange quit.
That's the orange quid.
Yeah, the male orange quit. With that little patch of red underneath. The female grey.
The female is grey.
Yeah, greyish color.
Oh.
Yeah.
How you know those things, man? How you know? How you know them things? Huh?
I know.
After a while, you know them.
Just a short time.
Okay,
I
okay.
used to raise bird when me was little.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And you're still doing it?
So me was here with the bird lady when she started.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
The bird lady?
Yeah, Lisa Salmon.
Uh-huh.
She's the one who started this like in 1952.
Wow. She's a Jamaican?
Yeah, she's a white Jamaican. She was born over in Kingston.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
So what happened?
Over in St. Andrew.
Uh-huh.
What happened, 2000, she fall down and break her hip.
Uh-huh.
She lived for 2 weeks and then she died.
Wow, wow.
She buried in the bush here.
Oh.
Yeah, so she's the one who started this.
Yes. And you were here with her?
6 years before the birds come to her down in the bush. 6-year patient.
Uh-huh.
And after they come to her, then this was her home built in the late 40s.
Uh-huh.
Then she moved in a little bit closer and closer until I come up here with her.
Oh.
And then she opened to the public 1958.
So this business has been operating since 1958?
Yeah.
Welcoming people to,
And
showing them about birds and stuff.
yes.
So you've been here, you work with her for
Over some 30 odd years now.
30 odd years?
Yeah.
Impressive, man. You must love birds, man, to do that.
Yeah.
Wow. So is there a particular time, Mr. Fritz, that they feed, or it doesn't matter?
Well, they feed right through the day until it start to get dark. Then they all go away in the bush and sleep.
Oh, they sleep in the bush, eh?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
So you don't really have a house in here?
No.
Oh, so they have their own house?
Yes.
Okay.
They sleep in tree at night.
Ah. I hear some other birds. What am I hearing there?
That's the hopping dick.
The happendick.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called the white chin thrush.
White chin thrush.
Yeah.
The woodpecker. I wonder if we'll be able to see anytime soon. I think we're gonna see them. All right, that's
The
one.
woodpecker he wants some bananas.
Banana.
Yeah, we put banana over there and they come and eat it.
Okay,
If you
wonderful.
want to get a couple bananas.
Okay, I didn't know woodpecker ate banana. I thought it was a wood.
Yeah. They eat insects
Uh-huh.
and they eat ripe oranges
Ah.
and cheese.
Cheese?
Oh yeah.
Cheese?
Uh-huh.
So you test them with different type of food and area, because if cheese is obviously is factory made, it's not natural. But they eat cheese. Okay.
And also the white chin thrush, they eat the cheese too.
Okay, cool.
And the oriole.
Uh-huh. So what do you typically feed them with, Mr.
This is sugar and water.
Just regular table sugar?
Yeah, granulated sugar. Them don't love they don't like the brown sugar.
Uh-huh.
It's a little bit too sticky, heavy for them. Yeah.
So the sugar is good for them, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gives them more energy to fly out. If you color it, it's not good for them. It sick them and kill them.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that's the regular sugar.
Yeah.
So all of this stuff you learn before, or just kind of along the way? Along the way.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the other birds, though? What do you feed them with?
Crackcorns and millet.
Popcorns and what?
Crackcorn and
Oh,
millet.
crackcorns.
Yeah, millet.
Millet, which is like another.
Millet and oats, yes.
Oh, so that's like another sort
It's
of
like
corn.
a body feed.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Fine grain millet.
All right, so we'll take a look at some of the food that you have there and stuff, and some of the other birds. I'm hoping to catch one of them. All right, so here's one, guys. Here's one here. Here. Ah, war again. All right, so you never come. Oh, this one is which one again, Mr.
This one is the red-billed streamer-tail.
Beautiful.
That's the Dr. bird.
This is the one we call it Dr. Bird in Jamaica.
Right.
Beautiful Dr. Bird. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at
And
the
this one is the male.
That's
The male grow the long tail.
Oh, the male is the long tail.
Yeah.
Wow.
Female
Posing
don't.
for the camera, guys. Let me see if I catch it.
Female don't come to people.
Oh.
Because the male been chasing the females away.
The male chase the female. That's not good. Okay. Oh, what is this now?
This is the millet for the finches.
The millet. For the finch.
Millet and oats, the long green one, oats. Yeah.
For who? For which one is that?
For those finches.
These ones.
Yeah.
You call them finches?
Yeah, grass clip.
Oh, grass.
Yeah.
There's another name for them. Grass cutter.
Grass fit, yeah.
Alright guys, so the birds here coming, alright.
So these are
Getting
three,
close.
these are 3 females.
3 females.
Yeah.
3 females.
And then they start to fight.
Start to fight?
Yeah, they love to fight too.
Uh-huh. Oh, this is beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's try them. So the male don't come, you think, huh?
Yeah, the male come.
Okay.
See?
Dr. Bird coming again. Why keep coming to the camera? Why am I always? Alright. Alright guys, so that's Mr. Fritz and this is Kimani. These are the guys here who take care of the birds. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful. Ah! Yeah man. Alright, so this one is the grass squid.
Yes.
Alright, so those are the only two that will come in your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is a nice job. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Nice man, good.
Yeah, man. You don't have any blood pressure when you have this kind of work. You're working with nature. Just birds. Wow, this is beautiful.
Blood pressure.
Yeah, man. Look at that. This is. Wow, this one looks like it's stand up, you know. It's pretty.
That's the only bird can stay in mid-here and turn around like cars.
Really?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the same streamer tail one.
Mm-hmm. And this one too.
Oh, you mean the doctor bird?
Yeah,
They
they can first turn around and go backward and forward and up and down.
Wow.
Yeah.
The only bird that can do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So this is the millet you said?
Yeah, millet and oats.
Millet and oats. You give them water, Mr. Free?
Oh, they have water outside can drink.
Where, you mean?
In those bird baths.
You put water in there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool.
And these finches, they drink the sugar and water too.
Oh, good, good,
Yeah.
good, good. Alright, these are so lovely. Pretty little bird. Look at that guy.
This one is the male, just flew out.
Oh, how you know the male?
More colorful.
More colorful. Is
Yeah,
it usually that?
There's another male here.
Oh, that's another male. That's pretty. Look at that. You can't press it. Oh, God. I'm sorry. Is that a dove I see here, Mr. Fritz?
Yes, that's the Caribbean dove.
Caribbean. But you disappeared on me, man.
It's called the white belly dove.
The white belly dove.
Yeah.
I just disappeared. Alright, hoping to catch him again. Alright, so this is Mr. Kimani. Mr. Kimani is also a tour guide here. What are you doing now, Mr. Kimani?
Cutting up some oranges for the birds.
Okay. The orange. Which one of them eat the orange again, you said?
Woodpecker and some of the squits.
The squid. Okay.
Orange squits.
And the banana, and you have banana here too?
Yeah.
Alright, so you position it like that?
Yeah. I cut it up in small pieces so they can get everything out of it.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. So right now you have about 1,000 birds on your man.
Over me.
Alright, so you have about a dozen. This is the grass squid again?
Yes.
They're not, okay, cool, cool. And Dr. Bird and all of them. This is beautiful guy.
For birds.
Alright, good, good. Alright, let me try it. Let me try it now.
You
Alright.
can come closer if you want.
Alright guys, so this again is a Dr. Bird and this is the red streak. What do you call it?
That's a young one.
Young one.
It's a young, yeah.
Is it black streamer or is it a red streamer?
Red streamer. Red bill streamer.
Red bill streamer. Okay, cool.
This is a young male.
Young male. Wow.
So
Now this is beautiful.
This one will grow the long tail next month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next month?
Yeah.
Oh, you know. Again, after I shouldn't ask you that. Sorry, man. You know this thing like the back of your hand now.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Nothing is more beautiful than just, you know, having birds surround you. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez. All right. Wow. Wow.
Male and female grass.
Okay. The male is the one with the more colorful face.
Yes.
Okay. So these are these fully mature?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. They don't get much bigger than this.
No.
Okay. So you don't have the nest here. You don't know where the
What?
they don't have.
Nest?
Yeah.
They nest in the bush.
Okay.
Sometimes in the flowers garden.
Ah, beautiful. Look at that.
And they love to
guys.
build them nest in guinea grass roots.
Wow, yeah. On the ground.
Yeah, almost on the ground.
Okay, okay. Wow, look at that. So they're feeding off my legs now, guys. Wow, this is pretty. Wow, that's the white belly dove, guys. White belly dove.
Four.
Four of them? White belly dove. That's him there. That's him there. That's him there. So this is a ground dove. That's him.
The smaller one.
Smaller one is the dove. Oh, there's a white belly dove here.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah, this bird, it keep going right in front of the camera. He likes the attention. Ah! This is lovely, guys. This is lovely. This is lovely. Look at that.
Female mango hummingbird.
Look at that. Look at that.
Over there.
Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm gonna try something, guys. I want to get some of these birds close up. Kimani is suggesting that we set the camera and leave it to capture. So we're gonna leave it so we can get some close up. So look out. Look forward to this. Gentlemen, all right. So a couple of questions I want to pick your brain. I'm not sure how much you know, but I'm gonna pick your brain for the benefit of my viewers right now, guys. What would you say is the most common bird? Well, in Jamaica. What's the most common bird in Jamaica? You think?
In Jamaica,
Yeah.
I like it gets to be like the hummingbird. You know?
The hummingbird.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. All right. How many species of birds, Mr. Fritz, say as unique to Jamaica again? How many?
16 different species.
16 species you have here.
Come here, yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course. There's a question somebody had. What's the national bird of Jamaica? We already know which is the national. Which is
the doctor bird.
Which is the
red-billed
streamer-tailed doctor bird. Okay. Are flamingos in Jamaica, Mr. Kimani?
Flamingo?
Yeah. Are you aware?
No. Not
Not aware.
Not what I'm aware of.
Not aware of. Are macaws in Jamaica?
Yes.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You have them here?
No.
You don't have them, but they're here in Jamaica.
Yes.
Okay.
People have them.
The Jamaican toady is one of the. I think it's unique or native to Jamaica. Do we have it here?
Yes.
You have it here?
In the bush.
In the bush?
Yeah.
Then visit here every now and then? Or you never see, you don't really?
They come around like in the garden and so forth, yeah.
Okay. You have the yellow-billed parrot here?
Yes.
But we haven't seen them. Seen him yet. Okay.
And also the black-billed parrots here too.
The black-billed parrot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly up in the mountain here.
In the mountain?
Yeah.
So between the two of you gentlemen, help me again. So list the, you can back up each other. List the 16 birds that you nurture, you take care of here, as far as you remember.
Those 2 hummingbirds. The mango and the doctor bird.
So that's 2.
Yeah.
And the vervain hummingbird.
Vervain.
And we have
So that would be 3.
Yes.
different species.
Okay.
And we have woodpeckers.
That's 4.
oriole,
5,
Caribbean dove,
6,
common ground dove,
7,
grass squirts.
8.
We have black-faced grass squid, yellow-faced grass squid,
So that's what, 9? Okay.
and 10 there.
Uh-huh.
We have orange squid, banana squid,
12.
Jamaican oriole, or we know it as antiquity,
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and we have the happendick.
that's the white chin thrush.
Uh-huh. The what?
White chin thrush.
That's the happening.
Yes,
Okay.
right.
How much is that? 14. Uh-huh.
And we have the mockingbirds.
The mockingbird.
Yeah,
What one is
it's
that?
called the nightingale.
Okay, okay.
And we have the gray, the kingbirds.
Uh-huh.
That's the one we call the pichieri.
The cherry, good.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? So that's how much you done? That's 16, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, very good. I'm impressed.
We have the Jamaican toddy.
Uh-huh.
We never mentioned that one in the video.
Oh, so that's 17. So what happened to there's one who always sing in the morning, man. I'm trying to remember. You don't have him here? Oh jeez, I can't remember his name. It's a little brownish one too. Medium size. They're very popular. All over the place. You go in the bush and hear them singing.
Oh, that's the same. That's the kingbirds.
What's the name that we call them here?
Pichieri.
No man, not the picture man. There's another one. That sing. Man, yes, the gentry.
That's a migrant bird.
The migrant bird.
Yeah.
Meaning
He
what?
only come here in the springtime. They come here in the springtime.
Oh.
So
what
they,
happened?
this time of year they gone back over to South America.
You mean they fly all the way from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Gentry?
Yes.
But they lay here to do, right?
They lay here, yeah.
Okay, but after a while they disappear.
They
You call
gone.
them migrant birds.
Yes.
All right, guys, I'm getting a lot of value to this, and I hope you are too. If you are learning anything, go ahead and hit that like button, man. We will, and I'm sure Rockland Bird Sanctuary will appreciate it.
Yes.
Yes, man. So the gentry, I'm glad you mentioned it, Cherry.
Yeah,
The gentry.
It's called the black whiskered vireo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any other birds that are migrant that
Yes.
comes and goes that you'd want to mention?
Like the gray kingbirds. They're from South America too.
Uh-huh.
They gone this time of year.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So they breed here and have their babies, then they go back home.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I have a question that I can always ask my interviewees. Gentlemen, I'm going to ask both of you. It's a simple question. The question is, what makes Jamaica special? Mr. Fritz.
The hummingbirds.
The hummingbirds?
Yes.
All right, I love that. It had to be something with birds.
Right.
After 30 odd years in the business, you get so close to them too.
Yes. They are special birds.
Yeah, special bird. Unique to Jamaica.
Right.
And one of them is just coming here now to,
That's the mango.
that's the mango one. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. So they agree with you, Mr.
This one
Mr.
is
Fritz. I agree with you.
The Jamaican mango.
That's the
hummingbird.
Jamaican mango, guys.
Only found here in Jamaica.
Oh. Only found in Jamaica?
Yeah, and also the doctor birds.
The red bill.
Red bill streamer-tail.
But the vervain is not only here.
Yes.
The three of them.
Cuba have the smallest, Jamaica have the second.
Okay.
in the world, yeah.
All right, good. Mr. Kimani, what makes Jamaica special, sir?
What makes Jamaica special? I would say our culture,
Culture.
everything that involves in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So our hummingbirds, that's part of our culture as well,
Yeah,
right?
yes. But the culture in general.
Yeah.
Love it. Thank you guys. You guys have been awesome, man. So much learning, so much
Thanks for
knowledge,
coming.
so much
Yeah.
experience, so
Thank
much
you
love
for
for the
coming.
birds.
Yeah.
You have to love this kind of stuff, though. Although it's not so hard to love, though, right? I think I would do something like this,
Yeah.
Nice job, Sherry. Yeah, it's a lovely job. All right, thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
All right. Amazing place you have here, Sir Kimani.
Yeah.
If people want to reach out to you, for tours or for reservations, I want to learn more about the birds. How can they do that?
Okay, so we have a cell number which you can contact us. It's 952-2009.
And that's the 876 guys. So.
876 952-2009.
Do you have a website?
We Rockland Bird Sanctuary. You can find us on Facebook. Yes.
Facebook as well.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, man. Great job.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy it, man.
Thank you. We did.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. The beautiful birds of Jamaica. Over 200 species, they say. 20 out of which are endemic to the island, and 16 are found right here at Rockland Bird Sanctuary. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join us. Hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you'll see updated on all my latest videos. This is Real Jamaica.